this day and age, we have access to so much information. There's pundits that have an opinion about everything. You can go to Snopes.com and fact check some of the things that you hear. When was the last time you fact checked your opinions? When was the last time that you fact checked your ideas or your beliefs? Now, Socrates had a student very committed to him, and actually through the student, we know who Socrates is, and that student's name is Aristotle. Aristotle says, it is the mark of an educated mind to entertain a thought without accepting it. So the good news is, you don't have to believe a single word that Karen and I say today. Okay, I'll speak for myself. You don't have to believe a single word that I say. But I would invite you to entertain it. Entertain that what we know today is not really what we know.